kind of butterfly. Baby, you get.
MSR's Elixir tents continue to offer livability at the highest level. Now our 2018 updates enhance this performance, making them more comfortable and even easier to set up. Elixir tents now feature a larger vestibule that makes it easier to protect your gear and store it out of the way, giving you more room inside the tent. We've added built-in gear lofts to keep smaller items like maps and headlamps organized and at arm's reach. At night, new internal glow-in-the-dark zipper pulls help you find your zippers quickly and easily in the dark. For 2018, we've also added features that make it easier to set up Elixir tents. Color-coded poles, clips, and webbing show you how everything fits together. And now, each red pole is laser-etched, telling you exactly where it goes. In addition, Elixir tents now feature red vestibule doors that are easier to locate and align with the tent stores for a completely hassle-free setup. MSR's Elixir tents are the most livable backpacking tents in their class, and these new updates ensure you'll enjoy your experience in them, whether you're camping in the front country or packing deeper into the wilderness for backcountry adventure.
Today we're going to talk about the updated fixed Adamas family. We updated the colorways and the materials and a little bit of the styling. A truly new feel to a classic family. This product is going to continue to appeal to military. Very thin, lightweight knife that can easily be strapped to their gear. We find a lot of people, even in the backpacking community, like this knife because it can be thrown in their kit. It's not very heavy, but it's very durable. We've always had the traditional black version. Now we're using this cobalt black Cerakote. The new colorway is the new flat earth Cerakote and a Ranger green sheath. This also will come with OD paracord for wraps. We dropped the tech block and we're adding Flite malice clips. This will allow it to be strapped to any molly gear or belt carry. We dropped the serrations off the spine. This allows us to kind of slim out the design and gives us an overall more general purpose use for it. So anyone that needs something very durable but lightweight, this knife will appeal to.
Is designed to light the spark to your outdoor adventure. The 2.5mm thick blade is made of Swedish stainless steel and the spine is ground to a 90-degree sharp angle, making it compatible with the fire starter that is integrated in the handle. Companion Spark is a perfect all-round tool for your adventure.
Flite is our lightweight two-person camping tree tent. At 4 kilos, just under 9 pounds, this model has a load capacity of 220 kilos, which is 485 pounds. The tent is rated for 4 seasons and consists of a 2-grade no-seam insect mesh covering with 2-door entry and a removable fly sheet with a waterproof rating of 3000 HH, which comes in a range of colours. When pegged out, the fly sheet offers 5 square meters or 50 square feet of covered area at ground level.
The Katadyn Pocket is the most rugged and longest-lasting filter available. For over half a century, the Pocket has been trusted on countless expeditions and backcountry trips. It is built for a lifetime of use. In fact, the Pocket is the only water filter that comes with a lifetime warranty. Most water filters last around 200 gallons before cartridges need replacement. The Pocket water filter uses Katadyn's unique silver impregnated ceramic and provides up to 13,000 gallons of treated water. That's over 60 times more durable than a typical water filter. The Pocket filter is very easy to use. Simply place the input hose and pre-filter into untreated water. Connect the output hose to your water container and pump. The ceramic filter removes harmful microorganisms and sediment. The Pocket filter performs in the most challenging conditions. It is easily cleaned to restore flow rate. Katadyn's ceramic cartridge can be cleaned over and over again. That's why it lasts so long. The Pocket filter is very versatile and works with a wide variety of water containers. The Pocket filter is the best choice if you are looking for a lifetime product. It is the highest quality, longest lasting water filter available. Properly storing your Pocket filter at the end of the trip is also important. Simply pump a chlorinated bleach solution through the filter, then remove the ceramic element and allow the filter and hoses to dry thoroughly before storage.